Hey y'all, happy Friday. It's your girl, Makisha, here at Sistahbiz Global Network. And I wanted to give you a little bit of encouragement as it relates to your need to get to the money in your business, the resources that you need to grow your business. And I want you to think about the fact that it takes time. Sometimes it can take time. Sometimes you are ready to go. Your credit is ready, collateral's on point, your cash flow is right, your business plan is on point. But a lot of times, a lot more often than not, we often aren't necessarily the profile in terms of those things that a bank is looking for. And so I just want to encourage you today to know that it's really important for you to head into the bank and talk to a banker and find out what they're looking for and have them help you build a plan for how you get ready, loan ready, so that you can receive a loan in their bank. Versus going in when you're in an urgent need and you need the money right then and you're not actually loan ready by their standards. That's a whole nother story, because I stay talking about systemic racism, but for today I'm focused on us. And I really want you to think about just getting it right in your mind that you're going to do whatever it takes, and you're going to reach out to whoever you need to reach out to, and you're going to build relationships with investors and with bankers so that when you're ready to access capital, that it's there for you. And maybe you're ready now. A lot of us are, right? We're constantly looking for the capital. We're underfunded, under-resourced compared to our white counterparts. But it doesn't help to stay there. So decide, give yourself a year. Say, I'm going to take 1 year, 12 to 18 months, and I'm going to do the things that position me and my business to access capital whenever I need it. I'm going to do the things that it takes to understand where I'm taking my business so that I know when it will need capital and how much. So those are my words of wisdom as we embark on our Black and Bankable initiative this year. And I'll be coming with more tips and more tools. And we're actually teaming up with banks and pairing bankers with our cohorts so that they can do this work. And I just want to see all of us do this work and support each other through this work. I want you to keep in mind that we as a culture have a lot of racial trauma, history of discrimination, and lots of reasons not to trust banks and institutions. We also have culturally relevant issues with, money, where we need to do healing work with money, and a lot of financial literacy work to do, where we need to better understand what's out there, the products, the capital products, and avoid predators, because it's very real. So there's a lot to this, and I don't want to pretend it's not. But I do want to encourage you to do the work, the hard work of stepping into rooms, to educate yourself and build relationships so that you can move past it and access real capital so you can actually grow and have a full team and grow a company that is scalable and sellable. All right, I'll talk to y'all later.